Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade on Eurowings Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner, we have your profile, and in the bottom of the screen, we have, as you can see, the book a flight option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade on Eurowings Airlines. So, first of all, go to the top side of the screen and click on My Trip, which is here. Then go to the Manage Booking section, and there choose the flight you want to upgrade when you go and click on Edit Booking. Here, of course, you can go and click on any of your flights. So basically, you need to put the information about your flight to, of course, you find it. I don't have any bookings at the moment, but be sure if you have one, it will be here. Then click on Add Service and choose the upgrade option you prefer. You can upgrade to Smart Fare or Biz Class Fare. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details and confirm your upgrade. Upgrading to Smart Fare offers benefits like a larger hand baggage allowance, priority boarding, and preferred seat. Upgrading to Biz Class Fare provides additional perks such as lounge access, more legroom, and the a la carte catering. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.